Powerline adapters extend internet through existing electrical wiring, delivering stable wired-like connectivity, reducing Wi-Fi dead zones, and improving streaming, gaming, and work-from-home performance. My today's video is about top 5 best Powerline adapters review that are available in the market. If you want to know price, and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at TP-Link AV1000 Powerline Ethernet Adapter. The TP-Link HomePlug AV2 Powerline Adapter is a smart solution for extending your Ethernet connection using your home's existing electrical wiring. Designed for homes where Wi-Fi extenders or long Ethernet cables are impractical, this adapter delivers reliable AV1000 Powerline speeds, making it suitable for streaming, gaming, and stable work-from-home connectivity. With a built-in gigabit Ethernet port, it provides a secure wired connection for devices like smart TVs, gaming consoles, and desktop computers. This is especially useful in multi-story homes or spaces such as basements, garages, and attics where Wi-Fi signals often struggle to reach. Setup is incredibly simple. Just plug the adapters into wall outlets, pair them, and start using the network instantly without complex configuration. However, for optimal performance, both adapters must be connected to the same electrical circuit and plugged directly into wall outlets. Overall, this device combines convenience, solid performance, and strong security backed by TP-Link's Secure by Design commitment. Now our second product is TP-Link AV600 Powerline Ethernet Adapter Kit. The TP-Link TLPA4010 KIT is a reliable solution for extending wired internet access without running long Ethernet cables. Using your home's electrical wiring, it delivers data transfer speeds of up to 600 megabits per second, making it ideal for HD or 3D video streaming, online gaming, and smooth web browsing. With a simple plug-and-play setup, installation is effortless. Connect one adapter to your router and plug the second adapter into any wall outlet where you need a wired connection. One of its biggest advantages is its ability to expand your network up to 300 meters through the existing electrical circuit, bringing stable internet to rooms where Wi-Fi signals are weak. The compact, miniature design also blends neatly with power outlets without blocking nearby sockets. Additionally, the adapter features an intelligent power-saving mode that automatically reduces energy consumption by up to 85% when not actively in use. Backed by TP-Link's 2-year warranty and 24/7 technical support, the TLPA4010 KIT offers dependable performance and long-term value. Our third product is Netgear Powerline Adapter. The TP-Link TLPA7017 KIT is a high-performance solution for extending your wired internet across your home using existing electrical wiring. Leveraging HomePlug AV2 technology, it delivers gigabit speeds, ensuring seamless 4K HD streaming, lag-free gaming, and reliable connectivity for smart TVs, streaming devices, and game consoles. Unlike Wi-Fi extenders, this adapter uses your household wiring for stable, interference-free connections. Its innovative MIMO with beamforming technology directs multiple data streams precisely where needed, enhancing coverage through walls and floors. The built-in noise-filtered power outlet preserves top performance while allowing uninterrupted use of the wall socket. Setup is quick and intuitive. Simply plug in the adapters and connect via Ethernet. No software installation is required. Users can expand their network by connecting multiple adapters, creating a robust wired infrastructure throughout the home. Fully IEEE 1901 and IEEE 802.3 compliant, the TLPA7017 KIT combines speed, reliability, and convenience, making it ideal for modern households that demand high-speed, consistent internet in every room. Now number 4, NexusLink G.HN Powerline Ethernet Adapter. The NexusLink Powerline Ethernet Adapter Kit is an excellent solution for anyone seeking a stable, high-speed wired internet connection without running new Ethernet cables. By leveraging your home's existing electrical wiring, it transforms any outlet into a reliable network point, ideal for streaming, online gaming, and remote work. Advanced LDPC/FEC technology ensures low latency, reducing lag and dropped frames for smooth, buffer-free performance. Designed for flexibility, the system supports up to 16 compatible Powerline devices, allowing seamless network expansion across multi-room homes or offices. Using G.HN Wave 1 with MIMO dual-phase technology, it delivers robust connectivity even in busy environments where Wi-Fi signals struggle. Setup is straightforward. Simply plug in both adapters and connect devices, no software or complex configuration required. Backed by Nexus Link's focus on innovation and quality, this Powerline adapter kit provides a dependable, high-speed solution for modern households and offices, combining convenience, performance, and future-ready networking capabilities. And our last choice is Lucmo Multi-Port Starlink Ethernet Adapter. The Starlink 2-port Ethernet adapter is a must-have accessory for Starlink Standard Generation 2 users seeking stable, high-speed wired connections. Designed specifically for Starlink's Gen 2 system, it provides 2 gigabit Ethernet, RJ45, ports, enabling simultaneous connections for multiple devices such as PCs, smart TVs, or gaming consoles. This ensures you can fully leverage Starlink's high-speed internet for work, streaming, or online gaming with minimal lag and uninterrupted performance. Installation is straightforward. Simply plug the adapter into your Starlink terminal, and it's ready to use with no complicated setup required. The ports are engineered for secure connections, maintaining a stable network by preventing accidental disconnections. While compact and convenient, it supports cable lengths up to 150 feet, 45 meters, for flexible placement within your home or office. Note that this adapter is not compatible with Starlink Standard Generation 3, making it essential for Gen 2 users. Overall, it delivers reliable, seamless, and high-speed wired connectivity for demanding digital environments. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.